What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back in here with another video. Today we have the Tesla Model Y. It's the newest, latest revision, the Juniper, so you can see the taillights. If you guys were interested in some style, we have some carbon fiber on the car already, like the mirror caps. So we're gonna add some carbon fiber to the door handles. It's really easy, it's an overlay, so that way it does protect from any scratches. Think of it like maybe like a PPF a little bit in a way, but just actual real carbon fiber. And applying it's pretty easy. You just wipe it down with a microfiber towel, which I did here. Unstick and then press down for 15 seconds. So we peel the backing. The inside's also carbon fiber too, so it's not just like a, this whole thing is dry carbon. You want to line it up. I'm going to get to eye level. It kind of comes out and then it sticks beautifully. So yeah, that is the thing. Make sure it works. Make sure it's lined up kind of like this. That way when you press on it, there's that little bit of clearance where you're good to go. Carbon fiber side repeaters on the Tesla Model Y Juniper. So we have it right here. We have a theme going on, the carbon fiber mirror caps, the door handles. Now we're going to do the side repeaters. So this piece right here, it's very easy to install because all you do is put it on and that's it. So just remove the double-sided tape. Make sure this area is clean. Swipe it down with a microfiber towel. You could use alcohol to make sure it's really nice and tacky, but I think a microfiber towel is good enough. Yeah, I'm just peeling the backing. All right, so took it off. Now I like to put about 10 pounds of pressure on it. Let's get it lined up. There is some wiggle room, so you can still kind of shape it right here. Remember the adhesive was those 3 lines. You could add more if you want to, but I feel like from the EVBASE it's perfectly fine. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And voila, it's done. I think it looks great. It really complements the carbon fiber, and it's because it's in matte and carbon fiber, you don't really notice it. It's just a nice little touch. And then you do get that two-tone because now you have the plastic right here, and then you have the carbon fiber. So you have, it's a little bit more interesting to look at because it's plastic, carbon fiber. It just looks more expensive. So do the same for the other side, and we're done.